Today, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts with Slop Club in the easiest way possible. This method is super simple and beginner-friendly. First, go to the Slop Club website. Log into your account. Once you sign in, you'll see that everything works like a chat interface. You don't need complicated editing. You don't need advanced settings. It's basically like talking to AI. Now here's what you do. Step 1. Upload the image you want to use in your short. You can drag and drop it directly into the chat. This could be a gaming screenshot, a reaction image, a product photo, anything related to your content. Step 2. Now type your instructions. Tell the AI exactly what you want. For example, create a 40-second YouTube short with a strong hook, subtitles, and background music. Use this image as the main visual. You can also paste your script directly into the chat. If you already wrote your hook and content, just send it. Step 3. Press send. That's it. Slop Club will automatically generate the short for you. It will add voiceover, captions, and edit everything together. Once it's ready, preview the video. If you want changes, just type in the chat. Make it more dramatic. Add faster captions. Change the voice. Make the hook stronger. It works just like messaging someone. When you're happy with the result, download the video. Make sure it's in vertical 9:16 format for YouTube Shorts. Upload it to YouTube. Add a strong title, and you're done. And that's how you create shorts with Slop Club using the chat method. Super simple. Super fast. If you want, I can also create a viral short script tailored to your niche right now.